natin. Yan po ang presyo ng gasolina dito ngayon. Mga tagapakinig at tagapanood ng ating balita ngayong araw na ito. Kami po ay may lunch date, brunch date with siblings and everything. Everything. So, kasama ko po ngayon si Don Paraton. Bam, dadadon, dadadon. Brunch po kami sa Denny's, Rancho Bernardo. Uy. Bundok ay ng bundok tuloy. Bundok tuloy talaga. Ikuklose up natin siya pero hindi ko po alam paano mag-close up. Paano mag-close up? Hindi ko po alam. Wala. Ano ba kung inaklag, binubuka mo?
Ano?
Pag kinuklose up mo?
Hindi.
Hindi pa namin alam kung paano close up dito. So, dito po tayo sa Carmel Mountain. Invento lang po, Rancho Bernardo. Vlog ko to bakit? Dito po tayo sa kahabaan ng Quiapo. May simbahan dyan, di ba? Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you. I-list po natin. Yan po ang presyo ng gasolina dito ngayon. Mga tagapakinig at tagapanood ng ating balita ngayong araw na ito. Ito po ang inyong Curacha, nagbabalita. Pasok! Joe Tanok! Ito po si Joe Tanok. Anong masasabi mo sa ating weather ngayon? Katanok. Mahiyain po siya. Ayaw po niya magjalita. So, ito na po tayo sa Bernardo Plaza Drive. Susunduin, pupuntahan po natin si Patbon at saka si Muto. So, magpa-brunch kami pero sarado po yung pagpa-brunch na namin. Uwi na kami, sa bahay na lang kami kakain ng upot sardinas. Joke. Tuloy pa rin kami sa IHOP naman. Nandito na po tayo sa Denny's. Dapat dito tayo kakain pero sarado po siya. Parking lot po. Nire-renovate siya so hindi tayo dyan kakain. Sa IHOP na lang daw na hindi naman masarap. Sarado siya.
Ay, sila ba yan?
So hindi pa nila alam, di siya sumagot. Ayun po ang ating mga kadate. Ano yung ginagawa nila? Private property. 1 hour. May bayad. Ayun po, dyan po tayo magbabrunch sa IHOP. Ang tatakot na nila. Daming tao. Ano natin ito magplan. Ngayon po yung, dito kami magbabrunch nito kasama. Yan po natin yung artista niyo hero nito. Paratot, your superstar, David, Gabriel Moto. Let's eat mga Curacha.
And how?
Curacha edition.
Oh, the camera?
Hindi ako nagsasabi. Vlogger na vlogger.
Can you do live with that now and you can see what people are typing? Or you still can't? But Alaska was really nice. You should do Alaska.
Yeah, we will go.
Alaska is really good.
Yeah, that's our second. That's our.
Go during the summer because it's cold and misty and rainy and the water's very cold, so it's chilly outside on deck.
But even in the summer, it's still cold.
Yeah. It reminded me of going to Iceland. So what are you getting?
The classic.
What does it come with?
It's a choice of. What's a tea? You have pancakes already. Oh, you do. You also have impossible.
Hindi ko alam kung
Yeah.
orderin ko. Masyadong familiar sa mga menu dito.
So, Kuya, you wanna go? What do you call it? Panama Canal. Panama Canal cruise. It's not till later though. We have so many things lined up.
Go during the summer because it's cold and misty and rainy and the water's very cold, so it's
Tiribak yung baba niya.
got a shower.
Battery
Pwede mo ba
back.
kayong i-video, sir? You don't need to
Sa pagkalobat ng
Yeah.
Oo, no, pero naka-side view. Ano po masasabi ninyo sa panyanyari? Ano po pangalan niyo, sir? Sir, magsalita kayo. Hindi ko sinabi itong mawa.
Camera shy.
I know, right?
Interview David. Did he answer?
Hi, sir. What do you like about IHOP?
IHOP, I love that they have so many different kinds of breakfasts to pick from, okay? And waffles and pancakes and all sorts of things. And if you don't want breakfast, you can get something off their lunch menu too, okay?
Oh, yeah. You bet.
Yeah, told you.
What about you?
Do you have a share idea?
No stock-owned and IHOP.
We like Denny's better.
Oh.
Don't include me. Because we
pay
got
you
10%.
for that dirty
Yeah.
I know, right? How about some percentage? So thank you for that heartwarming. Heartwarming.
Heartburning?
Heartwarming
This is
comment.
your Curacha. By the way, let's go back to Piolo. For appetizer, we're gonna have some coffee.
And then we pay $50,000 for our van that we're using in the Philippines.
Really?
I just put all the vegetables. Still have a... I'm waiting for my...
Piolo. Tingin ko
Walang butas. It looks like the burger is smaller.
What about us?
Obviously, she doesn't know we're stars.
Now you don't promote them anymore. Ito ko ng order talaga yung kain. Kain lang ako. Tapos na sila wala ko. Kain ko tayo ng
Are you working Thanksgiving? Oh, they're closed. Oh, they're open.
If it's not our day off, most probably we're gonna work.
Oh, Thanksgiving is always on Thursday.
Oh, good.
No, I've got pancakes coming.
But he's been there, right?
Dumating na pong order.
And Sydney, yeah.
He didn't pay attention the last time he was there.
Because you were there.
Boy was with him handling everything.
Dami ko, kain tayo. Probably your taste.
That's a lot.
Usually,
Kain po tayo mga kulit. Anak, hindi tayo ng gamit. I eat small portion, but I eat every now and then. You know.
It's like mom. Like my mom.
Didn't you know I'm your mom? You have to give me money on YouTube. Mga Curacha, hindi ko na ubo.
My mom likes,
Hindi na ako kumain.
Like,
Saka madami naman talaga.
Yeah, that'd be a good name for our channel. Mama.
still early.
We didn't know it's already
I told you.
Monday. We thought it's gonna
No,
be
it's always on
tomorrow.
a Sunday.
Oh, okay. Po sa ang part ng
During peak wildfires,
San Diego ay meron po mga homeless na namamalimos din dito. Sana siya? Kukuha na ko siya eh. Lumayas. Naglayas. Yeah.
In a quarter mile, you will arrive at your destination.
So we're almost there. They're in the woods. Ayan po yung IKEA. IKEA. I'm gonna park in the parking lot, of course. Namamatay siya kahit kumukuha ko.
Ganun lang screen.
Ayun po yung Costco. May Costco din dito. At mahirap mag-park. Puno nation in the station. Ano meron dyan? May tiyanggian yata dyan. Ayun po yung IKEA. Maghanap po ng parking. Bilihan po ng mga yun, swerte yung lapit.
You have arrived.